you're going to learn how to generate massive WhatsApp views using this strategy. Okay, you can see these are two different WhatsApp accounts. All right, one is 600 and one is 700. I did this in just 3 months. All right, and you can use it for anything you like, either to sell a product or to do anything of your choice, and you know how much you will make if you are having this kind of views. All right, so the number 2 thing you are going to learn is how to make money online without selling any product. Yes, without selling any product online and without running any advert for anything. So all you're going to do is to get people to register their email address and you will get paid. That is what we call CPA marketing. All right, there are many platforms you can use. The platform I have used is Share a Sale, although Share a Sale I've merged with another platform, so I'm no longer using it. I'm currently using my lead, all right, .global, all right, which is the platform. You can use any platform of your choice, either platform like CPA lead, platform like CPA grip, all of those stuff, but my own favorite is my lead, and you can get paid through PayPal account. And you're also going to learn how to generate money, how to create a PayPal account in this training. All right, so this is my lead, how the dashboard look like, and how much I have made ever since I stopped using Share a Sale. Look at Share a Sale. You can be able to make up to $200 a month if you are serious. All right, without selling any product. All right, so you're going to learn how to run Facebook advert. You can see with just 1,000 naira you can get massive customers to buy your product, which is something you are going to help you a whole lot. I run advert for myself and client, and one of my students who generated 88 customers with just 2,000 naira and got paid 100k in return. All right, so this is something that is going to help you a whole lot, and you're going to make money with System.io, where you can be able to sell product like weight loss product and supplement, and you can sell a course if you wish. So this is something that is going to help you a whole lot, and you get paid through PayPal. All right, another thing you're going to learn is how to generate massive customers without running paid ad using organic traffic, and you can sell anything you want. And look at this, using I used to sell crypto product and also get paid. All right, this is something that's going to help you a whole lot if you want to make money online. And you're going to learn how to generate a PayPal account. You can see this is Nigeria PayPal account, but if I show you how to generate it any country of your choice, you will create a PayPal account from that country. It's as simple as that. All right, so and you are going to learn how to do WhatsApp and Telegram automation in this training. You can see this is massive, and you're going to get all of these things. All right, all of them, and using one tool and ChatGPT. The name of the tool is called Whatstool. All right, so and this is how you're going to get started, and trust me, this is going to be the best choice you will ever make on the internet. All right, so you take your time to go through it, and